Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my last video, we had dealt with mudras. In this video, I'll be dealing with mantras, the Gayatri Mantra and the Mahamrityu Jay Mantra. Gayatri is a universal prayer enshrined in the Vedas. The Gayatri may be considered as having three parts: adoration, meditation, and the prayer. First, the divine is praised, then it is meditated upon its reverence, and finally its appeal is made to the divine to awaken and strengthen the intellectual discriminating faculty of man. Gayatri Mantra. Let's start with the Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhur Swaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhur Swaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhur Swaha Tatsavitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Gayatri is the mother of all Vedas. She is present wherever her name is chanted. She is very powerful. The one who nourishes the individual being is Gayatri. She bestows pure thoughts on anyone who worships her. She is the embodiment of all goddesses. Our every breath is Gayatri. Our faith in existence is Gayatri. Gayatri has 5 faces. They are 5 life principles. She has 9 descriptions. They are Om, Bhur, Bhuva, Swaha, Tat, Savitar, Varenyam, Bhargo, Devasya. Mother Gayatri nourishes and protects every being. Goddess Gayatri is additionally called Veda Mata or the mother of Vedas, Rig, Yajur, Sam and Atharv. In the light of the fact it is the very premises of the Vedas, it is the premise, the truth behind the accomplished and the cognized universe, Goddess Gayatri is known to eliminate darkness by imparting light in our minds. The benefits of chanting the Gayatri Mantra. Regular chanting of Gayatri Mantra improves concentration and learning. It is known for removing toxins from the body. It improves breathing and functioning of the nervous system. It keeps our heart healthy and removes the negativity. Chanting the Gayatri Mantra calms the mind. It reduces stress and anxiety. Best time to start with the Gayatri Mantra 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. or 4 p.m. that is in the evening 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Mahamrityu Jay Mantra. Mahamrityu Jay Mantra is one of the most powerful mantras that addresses Lord Shiva. The mantra aims at warding off evils like jealousy, greed, and it also promotes longevity of human life. Ideally, for maximum benefits, this mantra should be chanted at least 108 times. Mahamrityu Jay Mantra. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Vadanam Urvarukme Bandana Nityo Mokshe Mam Brita. Om Triambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Vadanam Urvarukme मृत्यु मोक्षे मामृता ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमे बन्धना मृत्यु मोक्षे मामृता. This mantra can help the health of a sick person. You can sit nearby the sick person and chant this mantra 108 times and seek the Lord Shiva's blessings for the person's health and well-being. It is believed that chanting of this mantra produces a certain kind of vibration that wards off all evil, realigns the physical body and restores good health. With this mantra, one can conquer all of one's evil, as I have told you, like anger, jealousy, greed. Regular chanting can also help you battle illness, accidents, calamities, or any unexplained situations. It is believed that if you religiously chant this mantra, then Lord Shiva creates a protective shield around you that protects you from sudden death and bestows health, wealth, and peace. This mantra helps you bring your physical, mental, and emotional state in all at its place. It's aligned with one another. The best way to chant this mantra is by applying vibhuti, that is the holy ash, filling a glass of water, and by sitting facing east. Make sure that you close the top of the glass with the palm of your right hand and chant the mantra 108 times. Once you are done, you spray the water in the house or can even give the glass of water to the people in the house for drinking. One of the reasons why this mantra is so powerful and significant is because it helps our human body connect with your inner self. This mantra provides spiritual upliftment. The chanting of this mantra can also help people who have any kind of dosh in their kundli, that is the horoscope. This benefit is not very well known, but chanting for this Shiva Jap can actually ward off all your financial troubles. This mantra again is beneficial for those who are bad sleepers or witness bad dreams. Chanting this mantra either before bed or at the beginning of the day can put their mind at peace and also help them have an undisturbed sleep. If you like my channel, do subscribe to it and press the bell icon for the notifications and press the like button if you actually like my video. I feel that this video would definitely be helpful to you and you would be chanting this Gayatri mantra and Mahamrityunjay mantra every day, and that would be a part of your life every day. Thanks for watching this video.